Hello everyone, Krydax here, and welcome to Space Engineers. I am a few hours into my own survival game. I have used Splitsy's videos to help me understand what the heck to do at the very beginning, and I don't really know much about this game, but I wanted to try it out. It was on the Steam sale, and so here we are. Currently, we have learned how to mine things out of the ground, and I've also modified the original drop pod into a weird, not so great looking flying miner that I haven't really used all that much yet. It's currently charging on the base, and then I've got some wind turbines, and that's mostly all I've accomplished so far. I can go ahead and get some more hydrogen though. So if you don't know what this game is, it's almost a little bit Minecraft-esque. It's, you know, voxel-based. Obviously, it's different because it's not just cubes, but you build stuff, you connect things. It has much more of an engineering-type mindset than Minecraft, obviously. And yeah, I don't really know what all's possible, but we're gonna kind of try to make progress and do things and build a base and go to space and find asteroids. I don't know. Um, Currently, I've got my refinery set up to an assembler, but that needs to be improved, and I want to connect it to basically all of these things I want to get connected so that I can like unload ores from the ship directly into the refinery without having to manually move anything. So I think that's my next project. Um, I believe I'm probably short on a few things. I don't know what. Weird. That's the assembler. I think I need more. Oh, that's the wrong inventory. My refinery. I have some stone in the survival kit. Here's the refinery. Yeah, we need some more iron and nickel. You don't get a lot of nickel from refining stone, so we'll have to kind of go and get each of these individually. I did go get a bunch of cobalt once, so we should be good on that for a while. So we're gonna go on a little mining excursion. Let me make sure the ship is empty. It is. Oh, only inventories of the current ship. There we go. Yeah, okay, ship is empty. So we can go ahead and hop in. And we're gonna try to find some more iron. See how that goes. So we'll unlock the connector with 3. And we're flying. Whee! So, let's see. Iron, there's some iron over here in a big rock. So we'll fly over to this. And, oh, I don't slow down very fast, do I? We're gonna overshoot our target quite a bit. Wow. Yeah, I need some more thrusters for sure. Okay, so there's iron inside. Oh, we're okay. The outside is just rock, but inside is iron. Hopefully we can get enough iron here. Oh, I'm stuck. I think I'm too heavy to fly. Are all my inventories full already? Is that all it took? Yep. That is the case. We need to drop some stone. Oh my gosh, that's a big rock. Wow. It's also interesting, the drill has as much cargo capacity as... Still can't fly backwards. Is that because the weight of those rocks is on top of the ship, or can it really just not fly at 27? You can see in the bottom right the weight, 27 tons. Oh my gosh. This thing needs more thrusters. Okay, we'll take some more stone out. Oops, what did I just drop? Did I just drop iron? Okay, surely it should be able to move at this point. We are really stuck in there, aren't we? Nice work, Krydax. Nice work. I might have to drill the ship out. Okay, that should help. Oh my gosh. So this game is complicated to get right, I will say. I don't really know which way to fly at this point. Let's see. There's still more stone to get rid of. Hopefully that makes me light enough to move. No, I'm still kind of stuck. Hey! Krylov, that's what I'll call you. What are you stuck on? This is very interesting. I don't... It's like, maybe the rock is weighing down. Yeah, I think that might have actually been what was... Oh, I'm still stuck on something. There we go. Nope, I just can't fly. Okay, now what? Oh, did it collect all that stone that I just mined? Yes, it did. That's... I couldn't fly. I did drop the tank. Thank you for pointing that out. I'll grab that. Okay, get rid of these stones. I do think that was weighing us down. I think that was the problem. Okay, goodness. Whew. Okay. Grab the hydrogen bottle.
Inventory full.
Just gonna dump the stone out here. I should have just used the right click to it essentially destroys it without mining it if you use the right click mode. Also, there's not as much iron in here as I thought. I thought it went like underground as well. But I'll grab the iron bits that are here. And all that good enough, maybe? I guess I can grab a little bit more.
Inventory full.
Okay. We even have very much iron now. Yeah, that's a lot. 10,000. Alright, home base is the green one. Fly back to that. Try not to go too fast this time, since I can't really slow down. Guess I could flare a little bit like a helicopter. Use the down thrusters to slow down. Oh yeah, that actually works. Okay, cool. Alright, now we try landing, which is kind of tricky because of perspective, but you can kind of turn around and then see where you're at. Then lock on. There we go. I do want to make this a real landing pad at some point. But yeah, now we can throw all this iron into the refinery. And that'll get us all kinds of iron, which is good. That'll give us all the steel plates we ever want. Yeah, I really need to modify how this is connected. That'll be the next task. Oh, I need nickel first, though. Nickel first. Unload all this iron. And we'll go find some nickel. Because you need a lot of motors for things, and motors need a lot of nickel. And you don't get very much nickel at all from refining stone. So I don't really want to get a bunch more nickel from stone, so we'll do a nickel, go do a nickel excursion. By the way, how's my battery doing? I haven't checked the battery. Is it charged up? Stored power, 700, almost kilowatt hours. That's pretty good. Okay. Well, where is the nickel? Ice, cobalt, also iron and nickel. Okay, there's iron and nickel over over there. I want to say there's one that's just nickel. There. 1 kilometer away. So we'll fly over there. This time I'll try to get only nickel instead of stone and nickel. Slow down a bit. And, oh, it's a nickel rock. Okay, never mind. I don't want that crap again. I know there was underground nickel for the other one. Although that's a lot farther away. So, this series is going to be very sporadic. I don't plan on necessarily recording every little bit, but I at least wanted to upload it to YouTube because I haven't been uploading as much recently, and I figure I'll at least share a little bit of what I'm playing with you guys. But it'll be less of an official series. Okay, so go down here, slow down by flaring, and then, yeah, part of the problem is we can't, like, face downwards, really, because that forward thruster can't hold us up. Because we only have one, like, I can zoom in here, you can see we only have one thruster. They're not even, like, symmetrical, it's so jank. This is, oh, that's a problem. I can fix that. Okay, hold on. Wow, I feel really stupid. Can I lock my landing gear? Is that not... Did I break the landing gear? I might have broken the landing gear. Definitely broke the landing gear. And we don't have the components for it. Okay. This thing is the problem. I forgot, I had flipped it upside down at some point, and so this is not helping it stay up at all. So we will go ahead and remove that bad boy. I also really wish there was like a middle mouse button pipette thing. If there is, I don't know how to do it. Turn off those real quick. Thruster, so we will grab that. I don't have a hotbar that has any amount of organization yet. That rotated properly. And that should help a bit. There we go. Now we have... Oh, it's not even the right color. Cover. Now we have at least 4 thrusters pointing up, or pointing down, so that I can go up. Okay, so... I want to say the nickel... You get right over it. And then we will go ahead and use the right click. Drill down. Make a giant hole here. Ooh. This is so cool. Even if this is all the game was, I think it's worth $10. And there's a ton of DLCs too that are like mostly cosmetic, and they're fairly cheap. So at some point I might get some of them. I think they add a few like, but okay. What's stuff? Go back to first person. There's a little bit more stone here I want to remove. There we go. And I'm already stuck. There we go. Okay, so let's double check we don't have any stone. Nope. There's scrap metal I could drop. Oh, well, on the ship. Get off. And let's click the nickel. We'll go up to about 22,000 kilograms. Maybe call that a day. How much nickel is that? About 10,000? Surely that's not. Oh god. What did I just do? Oh dear. Well, there are consequences to flying without looking where the back of your ship is. Oh no. We lost our cargo container. Okay, well. Okay, we can get a little bit more between the cockpit and the other thing, but yeah, let's be a little more careful this time. I'm also missing an entire thruster now. Game is hard. But that's what makes it fun, right? That's what makes it fun. Okay, let's see. Get out with... And then... I guess I can at least get the connector back. Scrap metal I do not need, and then I can
Inventory full.
A bunch of that. So I put the nickel, the drill.
Inventory full.
And I think we'll call that enough because I'm working with 3 thrusters now for vertical movement. And try to not hit anything on the way out. Maybe make the hole a little bigger while I'm at it. So that doesn't happen again. I think I hit the edge. I kind of like that the game destroys your stuff if you run into things. A lot of games are very forgiving of that. Apparently Space Engineer is not quite as much. Okay, well we are limping. This thruster on the top damaged. It is not accelerating very fast. Maybe it's just because I weigh so much. Alright. Well, we'll be able to build a lot more thrusters now with all this nickel. That's the good news. Okay. We don't have the connector though, so we'll just have to land. We're near home. Flare. Front of the base is this side. Okay. Gently. Gently. Okay. And then power off. Oh gosh. Well, why are you so top heavy? Oh no! Well, okay, whatever. You will become a better ship soon. You deserve to be a better ship. Oh my goodness. Okay, what I need is the nickel. So press middle mouse button to withdraw components. Oh, no. Okay, so take all the nickel, throw it in the refinery. How much does that make? Oh, it's pretty slow. Okay. But it makes it fast enough. Cobalt was pretty slow too. Iron seems to be the only one I've found by itself that's really fast. But we should be able to now produce a ton of motors. Just make, I don't know, 100. And then steel tubes, some small steel tubes. We have a decent amount of other things. Oh, I need a lot more steel plates. We've got computers. few displays. You need those for various components, but yeah, we need to grab steel plates. Oop, not 1200. Let's see. We'll do like 300. Can I change the order? Yeah. Cooperative mode. I don't know what that. I was wondering if it would do one of each and keep going around, but it does not look like it. What are we out of? Oh. Oh, I'm out of iron already? Wait, no I'm not. Iron has a crap ton. Oh, inventory's full. Why don't I actually look at the error message there? Okay, so then that means we need to take... Oh, okay. I just need to make a whole new base. Everything's a mess. Just like every game I play, spaghetti bootstrap mess. That's all this is. So the volume is the bigger issue here. I don't think the weight has a limit. So the biggest volume items is the steel tubes and the interior plate. Yeah. I'll grab those. Put them in the cargo container here. Has 15,000 liters of storage. Oh, that's the dummy. Is that not? Oh, I have to actually click on the inventory and then double click. It's so complicated. Are there options other than spaghetti bootstrap mess? Nah, there isn't. Never. Steel plate. Steel plates. We'll just move everything over here. Now that I should have enough resources to make what I want. Okay, there we go. And I don't think there's a sort inventory option, which I kind of wish there was. But I don't think any of the buttons sort it, so you have to sort it yourself. We have an oxygen bottle, but we've never needed that since, well, this planet has oxygen. You can do a space start, where obviously you would have to worry about oxygen far more frequently. Okay, so what do I want to do first? I think the first thing I want to do is expand my little flat spot here. So interior walls are blocks with emissive lights. I don't think we need that. Maybe I should make this my floor instead of the full block. Have that. Can I make the floor out of this? I think so. I need steel plates, but maybe that's what I'll make my floor out of instead of big blocks. Although the big blocks are more flavorful. I do want to be flavorful, so maybe we'll just... And then, is it raining? It doesn't really look like it. Really loud rain, too. So the music, like, it's not. What have I done that's made rain not show up? Okay, so what texture is this? Is that the clean armor, I think? A lot of these are DLC. What's up, Kamuna? I need the slow. Okay. So we'll get that set up and then do some multiple blocks. Mouse wheel. Again, I would really love if there was a pipette tool. Need to find out if that's a thing. We'll just kind of expand our foundation here. And we'll need about 1 billion steel plates for that. If I actually want to... You don't have to build them, you can just leave them like that. I don't know how many steel plates it uses to build them. 147... It only uses 1 steel plate to replace the, like, ghost part. Okay. But then you need 25 to finish it. Thank you for the Freedom Unit translation. I wouldn't have known how hot that was. But that is pretty dang hot. Okay, so this will be kind of a good foundation at least. Maybe it's a little too long and skinny, but... And then we'll need a crap ton of steel plates. Let's see. I'm just gonna make it. I don't think we have quite enough iron for that. Maybe 400. We'll at least get them all, like, sort of together. Oh my gosh. That 116 degrees, that's deadly. That's insane. Oh, it'll be nighttime soon. I should put some lights on my base, too. Throw some lights down. G light. What do we got? Interior light, corner light, double. Is that it? The rest of it is light armor. Oh, there's also light panels. But that's in a DLC. I told myself I have to play at least 20 hours of the game before I buy any DLC. That felt fair. I also don't totally understand the big versus small versions. Like, why can't I put the small version of a light on a big grid? Like, I have to use the big grid. Oh, I need construction. Wait, this is attached to my artifact. I can grab them from here? Yeah. Because, like, things have to be attached with these little hatches to each other for them to be able to, like, pull inventories from one thing to another. There's a light. 8 here. Light. Sun set. Okay, more steel plates. I also should make my ship better. Maybe I should do that first. Plates. Yeah, I mean, it's been hot here, but it hasn't been that hot. It's mostly been in the 80s every day. To 100%. There's something really satisfying about the welding in this game. know if it's the sounds or the visuals or both, but it's satisfying to actually build things. Like, in one way it's annoying because it takes a lot of time, but in another way it's like you're more happy with your finished product because it actually took time to build. Oh gosh, 82 degrees. Do you not have air conditioning? Is that not a thing where you live? Okay. Pretty good. I think I'm gonna make that a pillar over there instead. Oh yeah, Germany. Don't make me link that video again. There's a YouTube video where there's like an American sitting on the couch of a German guy's house, and they're both just like sweating buckets, and the German guy's like arguing like, oh, we don't do that here. I don't know. It's funny. You'd have to see it.
Energy low.
Uh-oh, life support systems may fail. It doesn't matter because I don't need life support. Because the planet is hospitable. I'm currently using all my power too. I should probably build a battery into this thing. Maybe I'll do that. First we shall finish welding. I feel like in this game I'm gonna appreciate building something that looks realistic, even though you don't have to support things like that. And it's gonna look really weird if I don't. This. Okay, need more steel plates. Oh, we're out of iron. Okay, well. There you go. Time to get our ship functional again. And then go find a real iron deposit. This one looks... Is that just how it works sometimes? It looks weird. I guess the connections are kind of sporadic. Like the art style of the connections. These lights... These lights aren't as bright as I was hoping. I'll have to put a lot more light everywhere. I wonder if there are brighter lights too. I haven't unlocked everything yet. Might be. In the French, there are some types of automation. It's not quite like satisfactory, but there are ways to automate things getting done. And then there are also there are a ton of mods for this game. Yeah, exactly, Dave. Brighter Lights version 2. So like one mod or a few mods. Oh, I can set the strength? You know, I didn't even think about that. Okay, it doesn't seem like I can do it from there, but maybe I can do it from here. Oh, look at that. There it is. Aha. Does it use more power if you... How much power do they use? It's not showing. Are they free? Much better. Yeah, I don't really know how to find out if they use power. I'm gonna assume they don't because they're not saying anything. Thank you for that tip, Kamuna. Okay, now we have to fix this piece of crap. Oh gosh. Did I just build an entirely new ship? The back is all wrecked. Oh my gosh. No, I'm not gonna build a new ship yet. I'm gonna need a lot of iron for that, and we don't have a lot of iron. So what I need is a medium cargo container again. Actually, no, I don't need a medium cargo. I don't even have enough thrusters to lift it when it's full if I have a medium cargo container. The drill can hold enough. Drill in the cockpit. So what I need is just another engine. Maybe I'll make number 3. Yeah, it looks like I already have that. So we'll place a thruster. Get that built. Need a tube, a grid, and 18 motors. Tube. How do you take just one? I guess like that. Right click and drag. Tube, a grid, and 18 motors. I see an accident happened. Yes, it did, Luna. My ship is upside down. And we'll see if we can get it turned around without anything too crazy. And I also need to repair this guy. Need a motor for that. Put that stuff away. I might need some steel plates. Okay, and then the other thing I should do is recharge my hydrogen before I go on a journey, just in case. Get full power too while we're at it. Okay, and then this is the hydrogen generator, and we can just plop our plop our hydrogen bottle in it, and it will turn ice into hydrogen. Beautiful. Okay, so thrusters on, and so we should. Well, let's make sure nothing else needs repairs. A couple construction components are needed. And then anything else? No, that's it. 2 construction components. Here, this thruster. Wait. That one? Okay. Cool. So let's see if the power on, dampener is off. And I roll over. While I try to twist the gyroscope. Okay, that didn't help things. So let's see if I roll and thruster. Maybe. Just maybe. Maybe. Oh no! Come on. Come on. You're so close. It's just so top heavy is the problem. Well, maybe I can fix that. Let's make you less top heavy. Take some weight off. Oh wait, that one. Keep on. Oh, well, I guess that one was important. Oh well. Give me all the resources. Okay. Whoop. I did hit X. Okay. I guess. leave those on this one. Shoot. Well, guess we're remaking that section. So this is Space Engineers. Welcome. Welcome to the game. Game where you do the things. I think it's really satisfying after so many Minecraft-like games where there's no physics. It's really satisfying to have a game with physics. Where things actually fall apart the way they should. I will need that ore detector. Okay. Now, I would really like the ship to be upright to work on it. That would really help. I have a feeling that's not gonna happen. So it feels like the physics is wrong here. That should be like twisting it, but I think it just moves it. I don't think it actually knows how. Maybe if I build another gyroscope, it'll have enough power. That might do it, actually. Let's chuck another gyroscope here. Probably don't have the parts. Yeah, I need 2 more computers. Computers. We'll just take 10. Okay, maybe that will make it. What? Really? Still no? There we go. There we go. Take dampeners off. Lock the landing leg, and then we are good to go. Now, one thing I've also wondered about is, are landing legs infinitely powerful? Like, could you have a giant space cruiser that's just sitting on one little foot like that? I'm curious. Okay. Now, we have really gutted most of this. I might as well take off these extra armor bits. They're not doing anything. I mean, I guess they're kind of protecting the more important components, but, like if I were to run into something. But we just won't run into anything. Problem solved. Problem solved. Okay. It'll weigh a lot less, too, with all of this armor removed. So, let's see here. I mean, at this point, should I just... We're close to redoing the whole thing, but I don't think I will. Okay, so we are going to need some armor blocks. I also wonder if these weigh different amounts. Like, I'm just so curious about so many things. Wish it told me the weight over on the side. What we can do to find out is we can click on this and look at info, grid mass 14124. If I place a light armor block, that changes the grid mass to 14144. If I actually weld it, 14144. So it's 20 kilograms for this thing. And then, if I place one of the ones that's, like, obviously less mass, it's still the same weight. Okay. So, like, all light armor blocks are 20 kilograms, regardless of what they actually look like. They are less steel plates, though. No, they're all one steel plate. Okay. In that case, we really just need some extra thrusters back here. Make a little bit of a frame. And maybe I will make that a slope. Also, I have no idea if there's blueprints in this game, because otherwise it could be really annoying to make some big structures. Having to place every single block, rotate every single block individually.
Inventory full.
Uh-oh. Inventory full.
Inventory full.
That's fine. Okay, so let's see. This is 2 squares left of the cockpit. 1, 2. Okay, so this is also 2 squares. So then this
Inventory full.
be a full block. There's our slope. Okay. I didn't leave room for a cargo container quite yet. And oh, you can't put it on. I guess just put it on the outside here. Now the thing I'm curious about, and we're gonna test it, is like, is it like Kerbal Space Program? Does it actually calculate moments of inertia? Like, if I put all the thrusters on the back, will it be able to fly properly, or will it just, like, flip over? We're gonna find out.
Inventory full.
For science. Why is it leaning side? Was it doing that before? It's also possible that gyroscopes are powerful enough to counter the rotation that these would be adding. So if I really want to test it, I should remove the gyroscopes. Or at least remove one of them. And then hop in. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it seems to be hovering in a way that shouldn't be possible. We'll double check first by taking off the other gyroscope, just to see for sure. Yep. Oops. Oh gosh. Well, I guess I need a gyroscope to turn, so put that back on. Yikes. I mean, I guess that's good. It would probably be really annoying to have to always build things, you know, in a physics way that works properly. Have to balance all your thrusters perfectly. That could get really annoying. I want to say we can even show center of mass. So yeah, I mean, all the thrusters are clearly not balanced around the center of mass whatsoever, but it's fine. Okay, so I think we'll do a couple more thrusters next to the cockpit. Continue shaving off the weight. We'll do. We'll do that. There we go. So now I've got 6 thrusters. And then I think I would also like a second one facing forwards, because when you lean down to drill, then those forwards ones are helping keep you up. And so I'll move this one over. And then I will make one here. Are they symmetrical? Oh, they're actually not. Have like little wiry things on 2 sides, but not on the other 2. Okay, so there's 2 thrusters facing forwards. Uh-oh, that was only attached by the crap. I don't think you can reattach it, can you? Nope. Well. Which parts of the ship have I not remade at this point? Oh gosh. Come here. Okay, so let's actually do this correctly. Make it look a little nicer while we're at it. You know what? I'm not going to move that. I think that's the attachment. There is a corner light right there. That's kind of nice. So I'm going to leave the corner light. Okay, so let's do regular blocks above. And then this should be the slope block. But it's got the half slope, which it doesn't seem like I can actually access. Maybe it's a half block or something. It's there, and then I should do the same on this side. I'm scared to remove that though. Is that piece removable? I'll place that there. Should make it matched. Oh, okay, so I think the T key, which shows up at the very bottom of the screen, bottom middle, is some sort of auto-rotate. Okay. This is ugly. We've still got the 6. This. And now I need all of the lateral thrusters. So do these 2 again. There we go. And then we need the other ones. So the go forwards one and the straight figure. I'll do the straight figure ones here. I don't think the air intakes actually need air clearance in front of them. Looks like I'm out of construction components. Are we gonna have enough steel to finish all this? Yikes. Hope so. Hope so. I have a lot of motors. But I have, like, no iron. I guess I can recycle steel plate. Production, disassembly. How do I do this? Oh, I have to put it in the inventory of the assembler. I can disassemble some steel plates. Yeah. And then we will order some construction. Okay. Let's see. Like we're gonna need metal grids, 3 of them. I also really wish there was an auto leveling, like when you're flying in your jetpack. It really surprises me there isn't. And it doesn't show the materials available, but that's because they're in the refinery. Not that they're not available. They're just not in the inventory already. One more component, and we are good to go. Technically, I don't even need that component, because you can, as soon as it gets past that functional part, you don't really need the items. Oh, that's a cargo. Okay. So this bad boy should have twice as much ability to hold itself forwards, and then we've got the 6 thrusters there. And now I still don't have a connector, and I still don't have a cargo container, but that's okay. This will at least get us more iron. Hopefully the battery has enough charge to do another run or 2. I'll put all of these objects
Fuel low.
in the...
Fuel critical.
Guess I'm out of fuel. Cargo. Where? Oh, I need the detector again. How many things to worry about? Okay, we got our hydrogen, and now we need ore detector. That bad boy can go behind the cockpit. Why is it not letting me place it anywhere? Oh, because I don't have any steel plates. Because I put everything away. That's right. What do I need? Steel plates, detector, component. Wait, I only have one detector component. Shouldn't I have 20? Oh. I mean, I can make more. I have to, but they all go. Because didn't I deconstruct a functioning one?
Energy low.
Maybe they're on the ground somewhere. We need some computers. I forget what else. Recharge a bit. Are there components on the ground? I remember where the accident was. I don't see anything. Hmm. I do not like this control plus number thing. I'm not a fan of that. No idea what that timer block is for. Okay, anyway. Get the ore detector going. Oh, it's the big ore detector that needed 20 detector components. I do need a motor, though. That explains my confusion. It all makes sense now. Whew, okay. It's been a wild ride. But I think we're finally ready. Except it had an antenna as well. You need an antenna? What does an antenna do? I did not unlock an antenna. Antennas can be used to broadcast positions and allow grids to be accessed or critical. Okay, I don't need that. I would need to make a beacon first to unlock that, which we have a beacon here, so what I can do is a little trick I learned from Splitsy's videos. Unbuild it and then build it, and you unlock things. Okay, so we're gonna go mine some iron. Over there. Hopefully everything goes well. We can fly. Oh, did I not make a gyroscope? Oops. How do I put one on here? Oh, thanks. I swear I put one on here. Did I not? I must have unbuilt it. Yeah, I don't. This is like Kerbal Space Program, where you like have to launch something 15 times because you forget something every single time. Like, oh, I forgot the batteries. Oh, I forgot the solar panels. Oh, I forgot this thing. Oh, I need to check my staging. 2 motors, steel tube, and a 2 motors. Steel tube. A component. Not that. Okay. There we go. Now we should be good. You ever see me running out of H2? Rude. I'll never run out of H2. I do have a bottle that's still mostly full, I think. Yeah, we're good to go. Okay. Unlock. fly. Ooh, look at that speed we can fly up with. And then where did that bring? Off we go. Very dark. Oh, there's like nice fake lighting here. Okay, let's try not to crash into the ground. Slow and steady does it. Slow and steady. Okay. So a little higher up than that. There we go. Okay. Clear. Nice big hole. Not run into anything on the way out. We want a non-eventful time. Okay, there's the iron. Yep. Wait, what? Why is there rock on the other side of it? Not a very deep amount of iron. There'd be way more. Actually, a little easier to do it this way. Collect this iron. Oh, I think I have my full weight. All right. Pitch some stone. Did it just collect that stone? Okay, there we go. 6K iron. Still have a lot of nickel that I think we forgot to unload. Nothing I can do about that now. Okay, now we need to get out without crashing. Ideally, we're facing the horizon. Slowly back out. There we go. Camera not showing. Okay. We did it! Success! Okay. We do not accelerate quickly when we have a full load of ore. close to the base, do a flare. Slow down with all 6 of those thrusters, baby. And let's see. We do need a connector. We'll get that eventually. So we can recharge the battery. Battery's currently at 260 kilowatt hours. Yeah, we had 700. So each trip uses somewhere around 200 or 300 currently. Okay, we'll get a little closer. We're down. Locked. Sweet. Hop out. And we should be able to grab some iron. Oh, I should have filled up my inventory too. Crap. Totally could have done that. Alright, throw the nickel and stone in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Hopefully that lasts another little while. We'll do the iron first, because nickel is slow. Alright, sweet. That's a good bit more iron. And now I think we can start to remake some of this. I want it to all be connected. So we want the assembler to be connected to the refinery, to be connected to the connector that we land our ship on. And so that means we're going to need some pipes, whatever they're called. Conveyor tubes, I think is what they're named. I'll need a conveyor tube. Oh, I didn't think about that. Yep, makes sense now. I'm so used to Minecraft physics where I'm allowed to do that. Okay, so then the conveyor tubes. Let's see. I think we need the medium tubes to be able to move most items. Only a few things can go in the small tubes. So we need conveyor tube. Reinforced conveyor tube? That had steel plates. Why don't these scroll? I thought this was one where we could scroll it. Oh, there we go. We just add that one. Then I can scroll for all the options. So we want a curved conveyor tube. And we want it to be base. Okay. Oh, it's not gonna let me. I guess that kind of makes sense. We're gonna have to build the connector first. Like I saw it somewhere. Maybe not. See, that's another thing I hate. If you double click, it replaces the thing you're currently holding. I don't know. I wish the tools and building things were separate toolbar. It's really weird to me that they're not separate things. Anyway, what am I doing? I need one of those. So, Well, how am I supposed to... Okay. So then I guess we need... like a junction then? Because it's not happy having this connected. Oh, it's because I don't have interior plates. Is that the only problem here? Motors. What else do we need for these? Steel tubes. Okay, that's the only reason. So we're gonna have to do this one piece at a time. Then that one we need to be rotated. It's not gonna let me. Jerk. Oh, there we go. That. Oh, I can't move that yet. Oh, this is just peachy. I'll put that there. And I can move this. Place another one. Like this. And then we can access all the things. Maybe I should just keep it on this lower level. Maybe conveyor tube and inventory's full. Well, in that case, take away some splits. Alright, so what we're gonna do is remake all of our refineries and such so that they're connected to one central tube. Like so. We're gonna need a lot of stuff. A lot of construction. Okay, so let's focus on that. Constructing. More of those. We do only have 3K iron. We're gonna run out of iron again. We have to do another trip. But these are the ways of things. And I know I'm gonna need more motors. Just preemptively. So then we'll probably need a T-junction. What's up, Blue Squid? Another annoying thing is you can't change your trajectory mid-air, which I guess is very realistic, but really annoying, because if you're up against something like this and you jump, you don't end up getting onto it. And so you have to, like, get a running start, which, again, is technically realistic, but annoying, because in a real world, you could just step up. So that's why games let you have mid-air trajectory changes, is so you can kind of do stuff like that. Anyway. Oh, you were just playing Space Engineers? That's fun. Sure you know a lot more about it than I. Okay, so I think it's time... We need a bigger cargo container. Let's make a media. Oh, I have conveyors on maybe too, I guess. Wait, mediums only have a small version, I guess? Weird. You can't actually put mediums in this system. Interesting. Okay. Do they connect to something like this, though? No, they won't even connect to that. Okay. So, no mediums. I will need a large, I guess? Wow. Maybe I don't. Wow, 24 metal grids, 300 interior plates. Maybe I don't need the large yet. I will eventually. What am I doing? More small cargo? Okay, so we're gonna need some of these bad boys. You know, I could use these essentially as tubes. I could put a couple down here, just have them. Do that. Too many buttons. Okay, we're gonna remove this, and then we will place le cargo container. Does it matter which way? I think it does. All 6 bases have a hatch. Oh, that's not what that is. No, don't build that. Build that. Okay, 4 metal grids, more steel tubes. I need a display. I have displays here. Used up all our steel tubes. Tubes. More metal grids. And then let's see. And then we'll need the refinery. The refinery also has a pass-through. I can put that down a square. Assembler does not, which is kind of annoying. Survival kit does. Okay. There we go. Cargo container. Check. And then we will grab the refinery stuff. Pretty full. I should be able to move it. I guess we'll just have to transfer it bit by bit. Move over all the nickel. It takes forever to process. What's giving me tips on the game again? Okay, so then check this. These things are so annoyingly in the way. Okay, and now we go to refine. Now we could build just the big boy, right? Maybe not. We don't have 1,200 steel plates. but I will need to do that soon. We'll put this way. Okay, which way? So they're on the front and back, sort of. So yeah, like that. And then I'm definitely going to need a thingy that lets me interface with all the inventories and such. I'll figure that out. Where did those steel plates go? Maybe I never added those. Okay, so that is connected to that, and now we need the assembler to be part of the party, but it doesn't have a pass-through. So we should probably just throw the assembler down here. Also connected to the cargo container. I'll do that. Looks like our inventory's full. Oh wait, there is a ton of crap in there. Is that crap now deleted, or is it everywhere? It's everywhere. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to make the non-basic versions soon, but now we'll just chill. Basic assembler has its face across from the machinery looking stuff. Okay, there we go. So now we should be able to land our ship.
No energy.
No energy. Land our ship and put all of our ore directly into the refinery from the ship. Be able to grab things from the assembler. I'm hoping the assembler auto outputs into the cargo, but it might not. I wonder if you can set up things like that. Oh wait, not. This is what. Okay, there we go. So those are all connected. The refinery has a pass-through. We can still connect things on that side. And now I should be able to remove this. And build the connector. There. Plates. Oh, that's gonna get so annoying. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to build like a little walkway over those. Wait. Oh, it's the other cargo container. Do I know about the build planner? No, not really. I know that you can middle click stuff, and then you can middle click to get the pieces out of an inventory, but it hasn't, I don't know, kind of unwieldy to use. And like things don't automatically remove themselves from the build planner, which is weird even after you've built it. What am I building? 50 more steel plates, 20 computers. But see, the problem is, like, so I need 3 more steel plates, and I can't... I don't know. It only works if you have all of this stuff at the same time, which I generally haven't. Because then if you end up short, it says it can't remove stuff, and then I don't understand, like, then when will it remove it from the build planner? Hey, the sun is finally. Okay. So we have a landing spot for our ship that's connected to a cargo container, that's connected to a refinery, and also an assembler. Perfect. And now we should be able to move the survival kit over. The H2O2. Oh, there's a lot of ice. The H2O2, I want to say, is passed through as well. Is that right? Yeah. So now that's connected. And then I'll just leave the survival kit here. It doesn't really need to be connected to this yet. At least. So yeah, now I just need like a terminal of some sort. I don't even know. Do I need a control seat? Is there a terminal? I don't even know like what parts of the game at this point. Figurative grid automation timer block. I think it's those. Large blocks. That's a lot of blocks. Power blocks. Battery. Oh, we do need a battery. Production blocks. Yeah, I might just need like a cockpit. Oh, a control station. Maybe I should do that instead. What's the difference between all these? Control seats are more expensive than flight seats. I mean, they're not super expensive either way. Okay, so... Oh, this is just all the options. But I really just want a terminal. Surely that exists. Maybe I just haven't unlocked it yet. Doors. Oh, it might be in this section. Doesn't look like it. Those are windows. Passages, catwalks. Angled interior walls. Rovers. Rocket launchers. Just like a way to access inventories and everything. Ah, control panel. I think that's what we're looking for. Oh, but... Oh, you put it on a wall. Okay. Hoping for a bigger one, but... I guess that'll do. Okay, so now we should be able to make stuff. And when you say shift plus middle mouse button to queue up production, where would I push shift plus middle mouse button on? Like, I don't really... Because if I'm in my inventory looking at, like, a building that I don't have or something, I should make a battery. Let's do a battery. I'm looking at a cargo port. Okay. Alright, so we'll throw a battery somewhere. Just throw it over here. Okay, so if I then... So let's try this. You said It's also really annoying that it goes into the search bar, and so you can't use the little bracket keys to move over. Okay, so battery added to the build planner. Oh, of course, you can't add it to the build planner from here. Also annoying. I don't know, this game has for being in development for 10 years, there's a lot of really, like, annoying quality of life stuff that just doesn't work the way you'd expect it to. Not gonna lie. Okay, so you're telling me I can shift middle mouse click. All components were successfully put to production. Okay. And then I can just middle mouse click. Oh, but see, this isn't a cargo port. So I need like a cargo port. Not withdraw. Oh. I see the problem. Whoops. All of my ores are over here, not connected to anything. That one's on me. Nickel, iron, cobalt. Will that automatically go? Oh, it does. Cool. Okay. Get everything moved over. Put away the hydrogen bottle for now. It's just taking up inventory space. Okay, so everything's over here now. And now I can hit shift. And then it should be working on Producing all the things I was missing for the battery. Supposedly. And the ice. Go in here. It didn't move it automatically. Wait, not connected? What? It's connected through the refinery. What did I screw up? Oh, it's rotated wrong. Oh, I got that right. Oh, look, I found some gravel. Okay, let's try that again. It's still on my hotbar. Done. Okay, so that now. Nice. Okay, sweet. So now we know it's working on stuff. If I go over here and right click, components added to build planner. $665 other components. What? Oh gosh. Now I'm very confused. Ah, right clicking is what adds. Okay. Let's see. But then it doesn't decrease after you add those in. This doesn't make sense to me. Now I need 25, but it wants 43. Very confusing to me how this is working. So why can't I make more power cells? Oh, we just don't have enough in the first place. It only decreases when you withdraw them from storage. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure once you get how it all works, you only click at the exact right times, but it's a system that's really easy to screw up, I guess. Especially to someone that doesn't understand it yet. Because it's like you have to do everything perfectly right for it to work properly. It feels, I mean, to some level it makes sense because this game has been in development for so long. It feels like a lot of janky things like hacked together rather than like a well fleshed out system. But I feel like that's probably what most of Space Engineers is, just because it's like the game. I would say Factorio is different because the shortcuts, they all work the way you expect them to the first time you expect it. Or the first time you try to use it. It's not like it is easily broken. I don't know. But we've now got a battery, so that'll charge up power, which is good. Okay. And I think that's most of the basics. So let's, next thing to do is maybe try to build a real assembler and refinery. Okay, that's a big boy. Wow, that has a lot of access ports. I don't want to build it up here, maybe. So we'll go 4. And I'll build it on this side. Eventually I'll be off the grass anyway. Okay, so let's regular light armor. Oh yeah, trying to keep track of it all is tricky. Also, is there a way, Blue Squid, to like pipette? To like click on a block and it just goes to building that block? Hey, B. Jonas. Oh, Space Engineers is nothing like Satisfactory, and this game predates Satisfactory by many years. This game's been around for like 10 years or something. One steel plate. So this is where I can right click, middle click, finish building. And now it's gone. Got it. Yeah, I'd say the graphics are somewhat similar to Satisfactory, but the game is completely different. It's not so much about automation. Alright, so I think... Does it have a port on the bottom? It does. Back right. So, in that case... Let's see...
Low.
Of course, I need steel plates.
Fuel critical.
Refinery. Middle mouse button. Let's see. That. At least get it started. And then I should be able to shift middle mouse button. There we go. Oh yeah, there's nothing there. I need to do that. This is power. Wow, B. Jonas. What a hater. Satisfactory's great. Hydration, though. Hydration is also great. You there, you at home, drink your water. Okay. I'm probably gonna need more iron. I already know I need more iron. So, what I might do is get the medium container on this thing. Might have to move these around. So that way we can carry more crap with us. Let's go get some more iron. Okay. So, let's see. I know I put it on one of these. Yeah, there it is. Medium cargo. Actually really convenient. I think it will just fit right there. We just need to base it right there. That. There we go. Perfect. And we'll clear the build planner. Right click. Middle click. think yeah, we're missing seven components. We're out of iron. I guess what I can do... assemble some iron plates, or steel plates, I guess. Okay. Wait, what? I thought I did grab box. Oh, are we one short still? Did I count on? There we go. Okay, so a medium cargo container is hooked up to the cockpit, and these small ports can transmit ore. There's only a few things, I guess, that can be. Is the ship moving? Or was I moving? One of us was moving. Anyway, and then we need a connector is the next problem. I didn't think about the connector. Because that landing foot might get in the way, I think. Okay, I'm gonna need to deconstruct a lot more steel plates, aren't I? Left earbud is dying. Good now. Weird. Okay, we'll deconstruct, I don't know, 30 or so. And needed some steel plates. Guess I can use the construction planner. Build planner, now that I know how to use it, thanks to Blue Squid. We add, and then we equal mouse, and we shift equal mouse. And we wait. Done. Middle mouse again, and we have everything we need to build. That's so nice. Sweet. Alright. So, let's go get some more iron. Oh, do we have enough battery? I guess that's... You know what? I'm just gonna go to the iron rock, because it's right here. We'll get the rest of the iron out of it. And then... hopefully that'll be... okay, come here, boy. Yum, 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 yum. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. See how quickly you end up weighing too much to even move. No! Dang it. Okay, we do probably have a lot of stone. Like a lot of stone we can drop. Get, just get. Man, it really doesn't want to twist. I need another gyroscope. I don't know. I had two at one point, and then I stopped. Why is it- No! Now we've done it. Okay, well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a load of iron back by hand, and we're gonna bring back the materials for one should be enough if you override it manually. I don't know exactly what that means, but I'll try that. While that processes. Wait, where are we? Here. So what do I do? Gyroscope. Oh, override. I see. Aha. Oh, goodness. A little bit too much. So why doesn't it apply that much RPM when I'm trying to twist the ship? Doesn't make sense to me. Like, if I'm holding Q, why is it not applying full power? It's really annoying that it doesn't. We have to stay pretty much level or we're gonna have issues again. Well, I feel like it should be, you could set the proportion of power that it exerts. Like it's power 100%, that should mean holding Q would be the same as this being all the way to the side to rotate. Or at least 3 different power sliders, even. Anyway, I digress. We have a crap ton of stone and iron, and the stone is good too. I mean, the stone provides random resources, so it's like I might as well bring it back as I can. Bad Albert here is flying successfully, but just barely. Okay. Slow down there, bucko. Get over to the connector here. Oh, also I need to remove that. Add the one. Fuck. Gently. Good. What the problem is? Are you not? What's wrong with you? You need to be turned on. It's on. There we go. Guess I needed to turn it on. That's not a good lock. Now it's not working again. I mean, I assume it has like a cooldown time. Is there a way to manually trigger it? Also, I guess that landing foot's kind of in the way. Oh, I see. Yeah, the landing foot's completely in the way. We'll remove it. We'll make a new one. Nice connection there. We'll fix that. Whoa. And I don't know what happened. But we're heavy. Wait, no. Oh, I ran out of power. That's what happened. That makes sense. Well, at least I happened to base. But now we have to... wait, why can't I grab items out? Oh, because the conveyors don't work without power. So I can only grab items out of the drill from here. Whoa, launched myself somehow. So the connector, so it's a cockpit that I need to grab things out of. But I can't get to the cockpit. Oh. Oop, there it was. Oh, it's mostly in the cargo. Oh well. Okay, so here's a question. How do I get more power into the ship now that I can't connect it? That's a question that I do not know the answer to. When you build a battery, it starts with some power. Okay. I can just build a new battery on the ship.
Fuel low.
Of course it is.
Fuel critical.
That for more fuel. And then we need a battery. Now there's also a small battery. Is that different than the battery? Yeah, that's like a little baby battery. That's probably not a great thing to build. I guess I could build it right there. Fits in with everything else. Chip, metal mouse. Give it a second. All components were successfully withdrawn. Okay, hopefully that's enough battery to at least fix the issues that I'm having. Oh, the battery can't. Shoot. Well, what can I? Yeah, turn off the damn thing real quick. Can I discharge the little battery into the big battery? Because the big battery, this one doesn't have enough power to like run all the engines. Here we go. So that will deplete Small battery. Current input is only 200 kilowatts. That's the max output. Makes sense. Maybe I should have built a bigger battery. Okay, is that enough? 1.57 kilowatt hours? No. So I guess we have to turn it on. Or to auto. Or it won't power the thrusters. Oh! This is a game. Let me tell you. This right here is a game. Nice. Nice. Okay, well, we are gonna take a little break. I did. I moved up. I thought it could help. Can confirm game. Alright, I just need to get upright. Fix the ship later. But I just want to connect it. Okay, it's not twisting. Did I do something to the gyroscope? Feels like the gyroscope is not. Wait, that's not roll. Oh, I guess it's roll from the gyroscope's perspective. I got lucky when I did yaw earlier because it actually was the correct orientation, when really what I wanted was rolling. Okay, the problem is I didn't have dampeners on either. Well, in space there's no up, but in space there's up compared to your current ship that's flying. And I feel like the gyroscope should always be relative to the direction the cockpit is pointing. Okay, I just ran out of power again, didn't I? Okay, is that because this battery's out? Yeah. This battery still has some, so if I let this charge for another minute, maybe I can at least fly this on top of the connector. So at least the batteries will be charged up. And then I'll need to go collect all the resources to make a bunch more engines, because we busted literally all of them except 2. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We busted 7 engines in that. Oh, and that one's broken. We need a steel tube for that. Does right click work for damage? It does. Yeah, dampeners hold you in the air. I get that. I probably should have had the dampeners on when I was trying to rotate, because it would have been firing the one thruster to fight gravity. Because when I had the dampeners off, nothing was fighting gravity. That's part of the problem. Alright, one more motor. There we go. This bad boy repaired. Yes, that one needs help too. Motors, 2 construction. 8 motors, 2 construction. Yeah, let's try spinning. That's a good trick. That's a pretty good jetpack. The fact that it can hold him like that. Also, look at that core strength. Look at that core strength right there. All right, are we done? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna guess the battery's recharged enough as well for me to go to auto. Wait, what? Stored power 0? Wait, what? What's going on here? Oh, it's because I had the dampeners on. That's been sucking up all the power instead of going to the battery thing. Yep. Okay, so then I need to get out and move battery. I'd like to. So can I just do that to get like 3? Oh, I didn't get the power cells back? Rude. Power cells can never be recovered. Nice. Also, it looks like that didn't restore the charge. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's, instead of that... How much is a real battery to build? Is it very expensive? Big, but I don't care about that. That's not very expensive. Let's build this thing. Nothing's on the build planner, so we'll add that. Shift middle mouse. Okay. Successfully withdrawn. Beautiful. Okay, now we have a better battery. And that bad boy is the same type. Okay, so they can both be on auto for now. And I should be able to dampeners on very gently. Twist and shout. Oh gosh, and we only have vertical thrusters, so we get to play the helicopter game. Okay. A little bit of tilt forwards. Bit of left. This is great. Okay. Come on, baby. I should probably turn. Make it a little easier. Gosh. Stay on target. Ooh. Backwards. Go back a bit. I think I went too far. Where am I? Oh, we need to go further forwards. Yes! Yes. Dampeners off. Connected! Finally, I can repair everything. Oh, this game's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Yeah, masterfully done, you say, after I smashed all the engines off the top of my crap, but it's fine. Okay, so what I'm not gonna do, moving forwards, is have less than 2 thrusters in any direction. I think I might even have 3 in every direction. I just need to build a much bigger ship. Yeah, exactly. We learn by breaking things and fixing them. Agreed. So, we're gonna do this better. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. So this will be the end for the YouTube episode, and I'll probably stream some more later tonight. Because I actually am I want to fix this very badly and make it better. So I'll be back in a bit. I need to make dinner and stuff. So yeah, but we will make the big refinery, and then we'll continue making the base better. But we should, if we're lucky, see that this battery's recharged. Or maybe I need to set it to recharge. Does it automatically recharge? Yeah, it's recharging. They're both recharging. That's the base battery. So it looks like they're all receiving the same amount of, like, recharge. So if I wanted the base battery to not be charging right now, I could set it to discharge. And then these will be recharging more. 277 each, in versus out. Versus 50 each. Doesn't sound right. Interesting. I wonder why the number difference is. Oh, because this battery is 3 times as big. So it's taking 3 times as much of both the input and the output. I get it, I get it. So then we have like a total base draw of about 500 and a total input of 750. So there's 250 to go around, and 2/5 of it is going to the ship. So we'll set that to discharge, so all of it goes to the ship. And the ship is actually currently powering the base, I think. What is taking energy, by the way? Because nothing's running right now. So why are they outputting 200 kilowatts? What is taking 200 kilowatts? I don't actually know. Something is just having a lot of draw. This one's taking 15. That's not right. Huh, I don't know. Oh, wait, that's outputting 300 as well. So we're using 500 kilowatts? Interesting. I don't know how to figure out what's using that, though. Like, is it because the thrusters are on? Are the thrusters even on? They are. I guess they're idling. So do I need to, like, shut those down? Will that help? No, that didn't really change anything. Is it the assembler just being on? Are these? It says required input is only 1, though. Those turning off does nothing. Beacon? Surely. No, the beacon's not even on. Wheel and gyroscope. Nope. the O2H2? Ah, that was it. So apparently the O2H2 is always on. It's for sure not doing anything right now. Okay, good to know. Leave the O2H2 off most of the time. It's just wasting power. There we go. Cool. Okay, sweet. So now I feel happy taking a break and leaving this where it is. Well, we've learned lots of things. We've acquired some resources, and we've had fun doing it. So, yeah. For those of you on YouTube, thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about Space Engineers. It's on sale right now. Steam Summer Sale. I think we can recycle all that steel. So if you're interested, go grab it. Plenty of fun things to do. I haven't even shown, I don't know, even close to 10% of it. You're just barely scratching the surface at this point. And then there's lots of mods, too, that can add, like, player versus environment type things if you're not into multiplayer. So, like, you can almost turn it into, like, a defense scenario where you have to build lots of things to defend against enemy hordes and stuff, and all sorts of mods. So, yeah. Anyway, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.